yeah, Debbie. Yes, my carriage, Anna, and mamma, her name, and no one Anna, also, my yard will say, and my first presentation is on Ghana statistical. So, we said, I'm a catcher, and Papa Bakwaminya, Ghana. I buy a sign, be retained Professor Kobna Enin. My Cassera, Papa, no. But I hope on my impulse, no signals, I think so, mine. I see a dear drink cost near Beboy. And run a who document or say females aged 15 to 19 years with multiple sex partners.
Hey!
I hope one year say, oh, yeah, Colabio made 15 to 19. According to Ghana Statistical Service. One penafo mienu enemy ensa
Emano Mayano.
Wait, say female, yes, females.
Meba bra Facebook in Nhyira 104.5. Net join here discussion your project in anti we no enye say Eugene na ka document ne da ho. Enti bra Facebook.
Omo mehe bia politics na ye, bo mehe nsu bi.
Ene ayi hu. Say Emano 15 to 19. Ah, omu date no.
Yes.
Omu multiple partners.
Multiple sex partners.
Say be ma baako.
There be. Na oko Bunu regional Doma is ni Doma Central ne dikan. Na za wo fan kola na oko Doma is the Doma Central. Almost 4 out of 10. Already 15 to 19. Etwempena mienu miensa.
Emaya de wo Bunu.
Yes.
Hey. Ade na ni enyan.
Omo mehe bi we to hia. We are metiasi. Mahama bi so ye tribalistic. Then appointment and metiasi.
Okay.
We are masan tiasi state agencies no. Unti dina position asana mechero. Tena more 3 presentations.
Right.
But we hear me. But what is we hear me no? O show HIV/AIDS infections na. O do medical person to
arise it.
Ekosoro. Na ema because of say Nyankopon ye o ma de nti no mo susceptibility na na say so mo benya bi ni wosoro.
Yeah.
Na kwa western job bibianyi anwea so be kwai. And also we na minister for gender. Minya data we am the sending minister MPB or also musa na mame. Then ye be sa de we akora wadi 19 17 16 years. Chempna. Mpena fo mienu miensa.
I didn't ehu.
Na unim Bunu wana no de shade we trendo. Bunu region now about 12 constituencies. In the top 10 no 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Nurse within the same region on one top wa.
Ghana now Bunu region now just 12 constituencies out of 275. Time here 2020 report to 2020 2022. It's nearly 270 275. Akwa regional top 10 no 6 constituencies and our district LED.
That's half of the region, no? Or constituencies.
More than 60%.
60. Make us say 50.
60%. 6 out of 10. It's a chance to be Koso of Bunu region and the capital ni Sunyane. Doma West, nanim, out of 6, no. Doma, I 3 constituencies. Doma West, Doma Central, and Doma is currently MPP and NDC GC2. Doma Central. The only seat at MPP or Doma is Doma West and NDC. So out of the 6 now, LED in the Blue region out of 12 constituencies, no 3. The entire Doma constituencies. Then think about Doma, maybe 15 to 19 chempana miensa.
Hey, 15 to 19 years. Wow.
Then tina Doma maybe we 15 to 19 chempana. Oda kwa ye curious. You need to understand it. Now another thing is Ashanti region. Another thing as Ashanti region akwa ye mu nyame pese won say the teenage pregnancy and ye lead we dey nim. But shade enu a report na a full report. We say political season and e refi maybe say ba me no be cha dey next week Saturday.
Sure.
Na akwa hade me san hu report me say me read na hu Ashanti region tops under 18 sexual activities in Ghana.
Hey.
Ashanti region dey ni yeah dey any top underage sexual activities. There's an kola omu so omo be fa ma anon be fa ma na ye top.
Into the yem fan sex age no according to Ghana ye mre mu no 16 years right and it may have sex. And you know yem fan say below 16 no.
Yes. We must start to have sex.
Hey.
Now the mechanic akran we daily guide source. Mechanic akran no what is happening? Mechanic can say the Ashanti region has been identified as having the highest prevalence of underage sexual activity among female adolescents in the country. A recent report released by the Ghana Statistical Service. A more detailed analysis of the data revealed that specific districts within the region exhibit particularly high rate of underage sex, with Akrofum leading with a staggering 42%, followed by Amansia South with 41.4% and Amansia Central at 40.9%. Akokwa, what is the common trait between Akrofum, Amansia South and Amansia Central? Galamsey.
Yeah.
It's one was some of the Biayakan, so one will link Kibiam Dama now. Now, I've established you that there's a direct link between illegal mining, irresponsible sex, teenage pregnancy. Because that district only did the top. Once I'm just sanitary part.
Sure.
Yeah, the teenage pregnancy data na yejuma. The over top 5 be Amansia, ubenya at least 3 and 2 out of the Amansia district. Once you Amansia South, you Amansia Mansodu bia, and you Jacobu. Ti about 3 Amansia could be quiet, can be about quiet. Ubehu at least out of 4, at least 2, 3 our top 10.
Wow.
So this is Ashanti Region. Now me am see data no akokwa ebe ne de. It's my mark akokwa ha de. GSS report revealed 10% of young women had sex before turning 15.
Serious? Hey.
Say yeah bobo wodin oh we kokoko board we ko ha di adwen maso. Ba we ko so. And we 2022 data ni nie. Yet asesa ko read na se.
Ejuma ho.
Yeah. Ghana Demography and Health Service 22. Now, I'm saying who are the man for me teenage pregnancy. It was a man with and a man up, but no food.
They said, the echo son.
Omubusa say, ever had lived a live birth, what would that? Ashanti Region, there, 11.4%. Ashanti Region, 16.8%. Percentage of women aged 15 to 19. Omoma would that no, 16.8%. Now, had the Bunu is the BTA. And they be upper northern regions, no. Ashanti. Who's about South na yet top pan.
Ashanti 16.
No one ever had a pregnancy loss. And also 8.4%. Accra where 15 to 19 may lose pregnancy. Abortion.
Mostly through abortion.
Now had where have ever been pregnant, Ashanti Region, 23.9%. Now so about Ashanti now we ma maybe 15 to 19. At least 2 out of 10 anyam pen. It's fertility issue ontime nwo abuse dofsu mama fe bam ni ade nya on data no e na make trust say Ghana bibia we data even true you own data ye hwehwe
seriously
ye data no ho data no ho yakokwa because of time ntino me de be konkon ye next one this week amanfo accuse